Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class of grammatics of class 2nd. This is your English first book. I have already shown you in first class. Now, I have given the explanation of your first chapter. It is over and I have given you first exercise of this chapter. Before starting another exercise, I want to ask you, have you done your homework which I have given you? Yes, I have given you first exercise क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 28। मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 28 तक करने के लिए दिया था, जो आपको मिसिंग लेटर्स फिल करने थे। ये वर्क आपको कॉपी में करना था एज अ होमवर्क। ये व्हेन स्कूल विल रीओपन देन आई विल चेक इट, सो प्लीज़ keep doing your homework according to date wise and class wise. Now today we will start next exercise, that is your B exercise, which is on page number 7. Open all of you page number 7. If you don't have book, you can see in this video. Here's the pictures and all things I am showing you, and listen it carefully. If you are not able to watch this video clearly, please listen it carefully. I will explain Hindi and English both. Your B question is, can you rearrange the jumbled names of the different sports goods that are being sold at the shop? आपको रीअरेंज करने हैं जम्बल्ड नेम्स, जो करेक्ट ऑर्डर में नहीं है। उन नेम्स को आपको रीअरेंज करना है, करेक्ट लेटर ऑर्डर में लेटर्स को अरेंज करके वर्ड बनाना है। और वो नेम्स हैं जो इस शॉप में आपको स्पोर्ट्स की चीज़ शो हो रही हैं उनके। Come on, page number 8. All the names are here. You can see first CKOECUTLTHS. It become shuttlecock. So, jumbled name is जब कोई भी वर्ड करेक्ट ऑर्डर में, लेटर्स के करेक्ट ऑर्डर में नहीं होता। ये वर्ड आपको करेक्ट लेटर्स ऑर्डर में नहीं है, आपको रीअरेंज करना है, इन लेटर्स को वर्ड बनाना है जो स्पोर्ट्स की गुड से मैच करते हैं। तो ये आपका फर्स्ट बना है शटल कॉक। नाउ सेकेंड इज ATB, इट बिकम बैट, थर्ड रैकेट, फोर्थ ग्लव्स, फिफ्थ पैड्स, सिक्स्थ चेस बोर्ड, सेवेंथ कैरम, एट्थ फुटबॉल, नाइन्थ वॉलीबॉल, टेंथ हॉकी स्टिक। दीज ऑल words related to sports things. So you all have to write with the help of this. On this paper you can see I am zooming in. Here all the answers I have written of exercise B. This becomes shuttlecock bat. With the help of this picture you can write all the answer in your copy and book where you want to write. In book you all have to fill, if you are having book you have to fill in your book with the help of pencil, and it should be neat and clean. I hope you all get the meaning of B question and answer also you get. Now next C question, C part. You have two column of pictures. It is also on page number 8. You have two column of pictures. Combine their names to make new words, that is compound words. Students, in last video by mistake I said common words instead of compound words. Because of the reading mistake I was not able to see that clearly, but now I am again explaining you. कंपाउंड वर्ड्स वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो दो वर्ड्स को मिलकर बनाते हैं। इन दिस ऑन पेज नंबर 5 again you can open in your book, and at the last it is there compound words. Here words made by joining two different words. जो वर्ड्स दो डिफरेंट वर्ड्स को जोड़कर बनते हैं उन्हें कंपाउंड वर्ड्स कहते हैं। एग्जाम्पल फुट प्लस बॉल, फुटबॉल. So here also you all have to write, again open page number 8. Here also you all have to add these two words. Here is the picture, you can see first this is the picture of butter and plus milk. Here you all have to write here butter, and here you all have to write milk. Then you have to make this word butter milk. So students all have to do like in this way. And same as second, here you all have to write cup, then board, cup plus board become cupboard. Next page, page number 9, it is also same as foot plus ball, football, honey plus bee, honeybee, house plus boat, houseboat, light plus house, lighthouse, pea plus hen, peahen, rain plus bow, rainbow, star plus fish, starfish, sun plus flower, sunflower. Students, I have written all the answers here. You can write all the answer with the help of this paper. You can see it. I hope so. You are able to see it clearly. I am zooming in. It is on page number 9, 10. You all have to write it correctly. Please don't forget to write these names below the pictures. Below the pictures you have to write the names also. Now, I hope you all get the answer of question number C, exercise C, that is compound word. Now next, on page number 10, D question, मैचिंग कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. कंपाउंड वर्ड्स को मैच करना है. फर्स्ट इज ड्रॉ लाइन्स टू मैच ईच ऑफ द वर्ड ऑफ द लेफ्ट विद अ वर्ड ऑन द राइट. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको लाइन से मैच नहीं करना है. इसमें दिया है आपको कि लाइन से मैच कीजिए, बट यू डोंट मैच दिस वर्ड विद लाइन बिकॉज इट बिकम वेरी कंजस्टेड. बहुत कंजस्टेड हो जाता है, जो समझ में नहीं आता. आपको नंबर्स लिखने हैं, राइट साइड नंबर्स लिखने हैं आपको, एज ऑलरेडी रिटन हेयर बाय स्टूडेंट. I am zooming it. See here, in this way you all have to write. Here is also compound words, means two words join a word. Means first is basket here, which is the compound word here, basketball. Okay, same as second, ground, nut, F part, moonlight, sunshine, butter, butterfly, wristwatch, teaspoon, toothbrush, door bell, window pane. See, by lining it is looking congested now, so all have to write the number. I have already written here all the answers by using numbers. You can see here. In this way you all have to match. Okay, no, don't match with the line. Matching you have to do with the help of these numbers. You will be able to learn. Okay, now next exercise is on page number 11. Students, on page number 11, E question word game, word chain. Here is a series of words given below. You can see here orange. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर आपको वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं जिनके लास्ट 2 लेटर से न्यू वर्ड बनाना है आपको. ऑरेंज गिवन है, ऑरेंज इज ऑलरेडी गिवन एट द लास्ट GE here. With the help of GE, new word made, already made, that is genius. With the use of US, use. With the use of SE, sell. So आपको लास्ट के 2 लेटर्स लेके एक न्यू वर्ड बनाना है. सेम है आपको यहाँ पे करना है. हेयर यू ऑल हैव टू राइट इन दिस grammar. Grammar in the last of grammar is AR. At the last AR is there, so you all have to make a new word with the help of AR, that become arrow. Same, I have already written all answers here. Yes, arrow, after the help of OW, owner, ER, eraser. This you have to do on page number 11 in this E question. Okay, all have to fill honor, eraser here. Now F question. I hope you all get the answer of E question. All have to fill here. Now F question is, here see the following picture, then form sentence using given words. Some words given here like cowboy, boy, horse, the rights, the already given. You all have to make sentence like already made here by help of students here. द cowboy rides the horse. In correct order you have to put all the words. आपको सही ऑर्डर में लिखकर इन वर्ड्स को एक सेंटेंस बनाना है. तो ये बना आपका द cowboy rides the horse. Same as in second, the, eggs, hen, nest, in, lay, the. With the help of these words you also have to make the sentence, and after making you have to write here. This sentence you have to write here. This also I have already done here. The first is the cowboy rides the horse, and the second is the hen lays eggs in the nest. So the your first chapter is now over. F question also you have to do here, okay, on page number 11. Your first chapter is over, all exercise over. I have given all the answers. If you have any doubt, you can ask me when school will reopen, but still you are having to ask some any question, you can write in the comment box also. Students, now come on homework. This is your homework. Learn and write exercise B, which is on page number 7 and 8. Students, आपको अपनी इंग्लिश फर्स्ट कॉपी में एक्सरसाइज B करनी है, जो कि पेज और 7, 8 नंबर पर है. सेम एज एक्सरसाइज C, विच इज़ ऑन पेज नंबर 8, 9, 10. एक्सरसाइज C भी करनी है, जो पेज नंबर 8, 9 और 10 पर है. B exercise, that all sports names, sports goods names you all have to do. And in C exercise, all compound words names you have to do, that butter plus milk. Okay, only this is sufficient for you. If you all are if you are not having book, you all are doing all the work in your copy. So please put class work. Please write a class work and homework, which you are doing in homework. You write down homework and you are doing all the work, then put class work separately. Okay, homework you have to do again. If you are doing your work in copy also, then homework again you all have to do. ठीक है, होमवर्क को भी करना है. अगर आप सारा वर्क अपनी कॉपी में ही कर रहे हैं तो आपको होमवर्क भी अलग से करना है, उसको मेंशन करना है. और अगर आपके पास बुक है, आप बुक में कर रहे हैं, तो केवल आपको होमवर्क आप अपनी कॉपी में करना है. आई होप यू ऑल गेट द मीनिंग. So students, now I will meet you in next class with next chapter. For this, thank you and have a nice day.